Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In this video, we'll take a look at an interesting template that I made called AI Tell Me a Story Jigsaw Puzzle. Now, AI Tell Me a Story is a collection of short bedtime stories for children. What I did was I used ChatGPT to write these different short stories, and I provided it different prompts with different themes so that it writes these stories based on these themes. Now, each story has a moral, and it is just a good story to tell children so that they impart the right values. Now on this board, what I did was I used a little bit of Miro, a little bit of Figma, and of course the book theme itself to create this nice jigsaw puzzle which can be used by anybody who can access Miro. So let's take a look. So on your screen right now is the page for the template. I will put a link to this in the description of this video. As you can see, it is a jigsaw puzzle. What you can do is you can just click on this blue use template button to copy this Miro template into your Miro account. But let me walk you through what the template is really. So here you have a preview of what it looks like, and then a description of what this template is. And as you can see, a little bit of a description about the book, and then about the puzzle itself. Of course, it can be played with friends and family. Now, if I look at this template itself, you have this area where you have all the pieces of the puzzle, which is randomly put together over here. And all you have to do is just drag these pieces into the center gray box and try and put the picture together. Now, for reference, this is the original image, and this is what your final image should look like. And then, of course, as a bonus, there's just a link to the book. If you click on this book, it will take you to the uh, book page, book website, and then you can choose to purchase the book from any of those, or you can even choose to purchase the merchandise for this book. Now what I've done is I've just copied this template to my Miro board. As you can see, this is now Miro. And what I'll do is I'll use this example section, which actually can be deleted. You just don't need to keep this block. All you can do is just, create your puzzle over here in this main puzzle frame over here. But just to show as an example of what the interaction would look like, what you can do is you can just drag one of these pieces and place it in the gray box, and then just try and put the pieces of the puzzle together. So I can attach this like this, and then I can attach this like this, and so you get the idea. It is just like a real puzzle but in Miro, and all the pieces should fit together very nicely. So that is really it. This is the first time I've tried to create a jigsaw puzzle, and then I'll follow up with another video where I've tried this again. But I'm really keen to know what you think about this template. So try it out, and drop a comment in the bottom of the video, and let me know what you think about this Miro template. And if you've given it a try, let me know how far you've gotten at putting the puzzle together. And of course, do like this video, share this video with your network, and do subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such videos to come. Bye. Thanks for watching.